Hello guys, good day. Today is we are going to Laia, kung saan matatagpuan sa city ng San Juan, Batangas. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will.
Dito na po tayo guys sa Municipal Hall ng San Juan. Guys, tapos na tayo dito sa city ng San Juan. Itutur ko po kayo guys sa Laia para makita natin yung sinasabi dito sa San Juan, yung sinasabing Little Boracay ng Batangas. Okay guys, let's go! Hello guys, andito tayo sa PP6 sa Laia. Titikman natin guys yung mga menu nila dito sa PP6. Okay guys, yan yung mga price nila, price list sa menu. Very affordable guys. pwede rin ninyo bisitahin guys dito sa Facebook account nila, Bulaluhan sa Pipisik. Okay, try natin, tikman natin guys kung masarap nga. Guys, dati na pala itong binisita ni Biyahe ni Dro. Andyan yung picture niya. So guys, dito na tayo sa Pipisik. Sisilipin natin guys yung beach resort nila. Okay guys, let's go.
Nothing seems right, 'cause when you're gone I lose my sight. It's harder.
Yes sir. Dyan sa baba.
Opo.
Yung sa taas, iba namang price yun.
Hindi, same price din po.
Same price
Opo.
lang din.
Kayo naman po mamimili ng room na gusto nyo. Pwede naman po ninyong gamitin itong kabana sa baba. Ito po. Ngayon po free to use pa to. Pero pagdating po ng peak season, may presyo na.
Okay. Ito po isang free na ganito.
Opo.
If you're not there,
Oh, ganda.
do you still think of me? I get a feeling you're lost in a dream. Told me I'm all that you need, but you're too far to even hear me scream. Don't let go, I'm too scared to ever wanna be alone. If you're not there, don't let go, don't let go. I'm too scared to be alone. If you're not.
Okay guys, that's all our video for today. See you in my next video.